What's the meaning of closely? Closely. Closely.
Closely. Closely. The term closely typically refers to something being done or observed with great attention to detail and care. It implies a level of thoroughness and attentiveness in the approach to a task or observation. When applied to a situation, it suggests that the matter at hand requires careful consideration and scrutiny. A close examination can often reveal details that may have otherwise gone unnoticed. In summary, closely means doing or observing something with great care and attention to detail in order to gain a thorough understanding of the situation or task.